Creating a free listing with travelsmalltowns.com is easy and fast. Just go to travelsmalltowns.com and click on Add a Listing. From there, you'll see free listing is the first one listed and click on List Now. From there, you'll need to register with your name and email. This is for security purposes to keep you safe. And then you will receive an email. Go into your email and click on the Travel Small Towns. And from there, you will be able to go in and log in with your new credentials. And then you'll go back to the List Now screen and click on List Now. And then you will be able to add your listing. From here, put in all of your pertinent information that you receive with a free listing and make sure to do the reCAPTCHA at the bottom and hit Add Listing. And that's it. You can now view your free listing on travelsmalltowns.com.